Come on, bring that ear all the way in. Bring it all the way in. You already know I got something to say. This is your girl, Toya Knowles. I am Toya Knowles, aka Short Hair Guru. Toya Knows Hair, Toya Knows Cooking, and Toya Knows Love. 2024 is here. It has creeped up quickly. But I cannot go forward without saying thank you to everyone who played a role in 2023 of making it such an amazing year. So first and foremost, I always got to thank God, because without Him, none of this would be possible. I have to thank my family, my friends, my amazing clients, and my amazing coworkers, and all the beauty professionals that have touched my life. So I'm excited about 2024. Why? I have things that are coming into fruition, and I have to share it with you guys. I have been working on things for years, and they keep coming back up. And I know it's nothing but God. God is telling me you need to share with the world your love of food, your love of hair, your love of love. I am a firm believer that the more fruits and vegetables we eat, the more we change our lives. I'm a firm believer of staying educated. And so with all of that being said, stay tuned for books coming soon, entrepreneur programs coming soon, live cooking experience and cooking membership coming soon. So for me this year, 2024, it is going to be unshakable faith and unshakable love. I am going to pour into everyone who sits in my chair, everyone who watched my videos, anyone in my presence. I'm going to share my love. What God has for you, He has for you, and can't nobody take that away. So this year, 2024, is going to be unshakable faith and unshakable love. Bring that ear back up here, because y'all got to do this with me. And until the next video, peace, love, and hair grease. I love y'all. Peace out.